Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best wire crimpers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Wirefy Crimping Tool Set. While Wirefy and its tools are a bit on the expensive side, they can still be a great option for many who want something highly versatile and ideal for heavy-duty usage. Wirefy's wire crimper comes at the second position of this listicle, as this is a highly versatile and highly reliable wire crimper, which is to be expected at the given premium price tag. Since you get a total of 4 die sets in the box, you get a total of 16 crimping cavities with this crimper. With this many cavities, you get the support for a wide range of wire sizes ranging from AWG8 to AWG22. Pros: highly versatile with various wire sizes. Offers 4 die sets in the box. Quite a reliable and durable option. Cons: slightly expensive wire crimper. Number 2. Our second best pick is Klein Wire Crimper Tool. Klein Tools is primarily a brand of small yet highly effective tools that do not cost much but still make for a great heavy-duty option. This Klein Tools 3005 CR wire crimper comes at the third position of this article because you get a high value for money with this all-rounder offering. Even at the given price tag, you get a total of 3 cavities with this wire crimper. Because of this, you get the support for AWG10 to AWG22 sized wires, allowing you to easily work on most wires with ease. Another great thing about this wire crimper is that you get a pretty sturdy build quality with it. However, this wire crimper is a bit on the larger side, which not everyone may prefer. Pros: decent value for money. All-rounder wire crimper option. Multiple cavities in a single die head. Cons: not the most portable option. Number 3. Our third best pick is haisstronica Crimping Tool. Haisstronica is another small and a fairly new brand of wire crimpers in comparison to most other options out there, which you should still consider if you wish to get an all-rounder option. You will find the haisstronica wire crimper to be quite similar to most other options offered in its class that have a similar pricing. For starters, you get a total of 3 crimping cavities with this wire crimper. And just as you would expect, these 3 crimping cavities allow you to get decent compatibility between multiple sizes between AWG10 and AWG22. You also get a great build quality with this wire crimper. However, the sturdy build quality does result in pretty heavyweight for portable usage. Pros: great sturdy build quality. Supports multiple wire sizes. Easy to use crimping cavities. Cons: a bit on the heavier side. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is TICONN Crimping Tool. TICONN is one of the reliable brands for several electronic components and tools. Their professional-grade crimping tool comes with an efficient ratcheting mechanism which ensures uniform solid crimps. This tool is the perfect choice for heat shrink connector terminals. It comes with a star wheel which lets you adjust the height of crimps. This ensures you can ensure the right amount of force is applied based on the project. It comes with a designated quick-release lever which lets you open the crimper jaws. The ergonomic and non-slipper handles ensure proper grip. Pros: good build quality. Decent compatibility. Ergonomic. Non-slippery handles. Cons. A bit heavy. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Qibaok Crimping Tool. This Qibaok wire crimper also offers a large accessory kit in the box, which consists of a total of 200 heat shrink connectors. As for the wire crimpers themselves, you will find that they have a total of 3 crimping cavities. Thanks to these crimping cavities, this wire crimper can be used with multiple wire sizes including AWG10 and AWG20 as well as everything in between. Best features. Compatible with wire sizes of AWG10 to AWG20. Offers a total of 3 crimping cavities. Pros. Includes an accessory pack of heat shrinks. Decent versatility and compatibility. Small and compact form factor. Grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.